Hey Otters! In this first video here, I'm going to show you how to create a wind speed graph for a chosen city in numbers. So you already have this stuff set up for you. The first thing you're going to need to do is choose the city that you want to collect data on. So I'm going to double click in here and delete this. I'm just going to be collecting data for Wausau because that's where I live. You can choose a different city, maybe Mosinee or Weston, or another city of your choice. That's up to you where you want to collect data for. Then here we're going to put in the next 5 days. So depending on what day you're starting, that would be the first date you put there, and then the 5 days or the 4 days after that. So I'm going to start with April 29th, and then April 30th, May 1st, May 2nd, and May 3rd. And you might have noticed that as I typed those things in up here on the table, that they automatically went in to the graph down here below. So now I need to find some wind speed data. To do that, I'm going to go to Google. And I'm going to do this in split screen mode, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now if you don't know. So first thing I have to do is pull up from the bottom of the screen slowly, and I'm going to click and hold on Safari, and then I'm going to drag over to the right side of the screen, and now I've got both pages open at the same time, or both apps. So now in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in wind speed forecast Wausau, Wisconsin. You could type in wind speed forecast and the city and state that you chose. So now I enter that, and now I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit so you can see it. If you notice right here, it says temperature, then precipitation, and then wind. And wind is what I want to be on right now because that's what I'm collecting data about. So right here it shows Wednesday, and that would be April 29th. It shows a wind speed of about 16 miles per hour. So I'll go over here, and I'm going to type in 16 and enter. And look at right here, it already entered in the wind speed for April 29th. Now I'm going to look for Thursday. That would be April 30th. About a wind speed of about 18 miles per hour. So here I'll type in 18, and again, it calculated my data right away and put that in on a graph. Now Friday, May 1st, the wind speed about 19 miles per hour, so I'll put in 19. Saturday, May 2nd, I see a wind speed of about 22 miles per hour, so I'm noticing that the wind speed is getting higher each day. And for Sunday, May 3rd, another wind speed of about 22 miles per hour. So I type that number in, and I've got my graph all made there. To get out of split screen mode, you can touch this little thing in here. I'm going to slide it all the way to the right to kind of kick Safari out of there, and I'm back in numbers. If you tap outside of your table or graph, you'll see that you've got your data collected here, and numbers is really cool like this. You just enter in some data on in your table, and it helps create this nice graph for you. So if you go on to the next page, we're going to do the same thing for temperature, but you're going to enter in different data this time.